Okay, welcome back. Now we are going to talk about new assertions. Okay, if you go to this module that's called it, and you just remove the assertion and use the dot, you can see here that we have some assertions. We assert that something contains, for example, a text. Text doesn't contains. It's related to dictionary. So we have some assertions here. Okay, the list is not extensive. The purpose of the framework is to be simple. Okay, but let's say that you want to assert things that are not here. Okay, you still can do it creating your own assertion. Okay, if we go to the documentation here in tutorial extending assertions, we can see that there is a way you can extend or create your own assertion. So let's first check if we have this IAssertion here. I guess we don't have, so I will just copy it here. And now we are able to inherit from this IAssertion. Okay, so we have an example here. So we have a class and an assertion that validate if a text is equal to a variation of another text. So in this case, if both expected and actual values when converted to lowercase, if they are equal, so we return true, otherwise we raise assertion error. So let's just copy this and put it in our test. So this is an assertion. You can see here that we are inheriting from the IAssertion. That's the interface that we added right now. And we are also implement this init. I guess it's not strictly necessary. Let's remove this. And for the extension of the assertion, we need to implement this assert here. Okay, and it expects an actual and an expected value. Okay, and let's check what it's. Okay, it's not IAssertion. Why is it? Yeah, it should work. It's okay. Let's run and check if it works. So in our case here, instead of using the it is equal, we will use the is equal to variation of. Okay. No. Let's do better. Let's go back to the it here, and let's use it in a better place. So here, for example, so instead of have this text in proper case, we can just use it in lowercase here in ID. So we can do other variations, and it will assert the text is the same. So let's test if it works. Okay, invalid syntax, it is rises. Why is it? Okay, it's rise. I guess my example here has a failure. Okay, it's good to know. Okay, you saw that it worked fine, and let's say we want to change this implementation. Okay, so let's change for upper just to make it fail. Make it fails, and Okay, it fails because now we are comparing the actual upper with the expected lower, and it will not work fine. Okay. You can see that the text that was printed here is not the upper one, but the one that was passed to the framework. Okay, so let's just do it again and run the test, and it works fine again. Okay, so you have this feature to extend your test and do other assertions by your desire. Okay, so let's stop and talk more in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.